Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to add friends in Picsart, and now let's dive right in. Now to add friends in Picsart, first open up a Picsart app on your phone and then you'll land over here, which is the home interface of Picsart. And on this interface at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see the person or profile icon available for us. Tap on the person or profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. And again on this interface at the top of the screen, guys, at the top right corner you can see a bunch of icons, and at the most left side of the buttons available at the top right corner there is a person with the plus button available for us. Tap on the person with the plus button available for us at the top right corner of the screen, and you'll land over here where either you'll be able to add friends in Picsart by inviting them or from your contacts. So if you want to invite your friends, simply tap on the invite friends, and you can say you can either email them or SMS them or WhatsApp them. If you tap on either of these buttons, a link will be created with your Picsart profile and with a message, and it will be sent to the person whom you want to send. And with that being done, guys, if that person taps on that link, then opens that link, then you will be friends on Picsart. And another way is just tap on find contacts and tap on the settings, and then follow through the settings over here. Give the permission by the app for using the contacts by tapping on permissions, and make sure the contacts are enabled over here by tapping on them, and tap on allow. And with that being done, guys, all of your contacts who use Picsart on their phone will be friends with you automatically because of the syncing of contacts. And with that being said, guys, this is how to add friends in Picsart. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.